Hi everyone. Today's topic is word problems on measurements part 1. So in last video I said that we are making the series of word problems on measurement. There are so many sums, but we will uh, cover the important sums in this video as well as coming videos. So first question is, the weight of a 5 rupee coin is 9 grams. What is the weight of coin? Is 9 grams. Vivan has a bag of 5 rupee coins which weighs 9 kg. How many coins does Vivan have? Now we need the number of coins from the bag of coin and the weight of coin. Right? Now what is the unit here? Here one unit is kg and here one unit is gram. So whenever we are doing the sums like this, we should have the both the unit are similar. Either all should be in kg or all should be in gram. So for our uh, easiness or for our convenience, we have to convert the kg of bag, though the weight of bag is 9 kg. We have to convert into grams. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 9 kg is equal to 9000 grams. Okay, only gm we can write. Now see, the weight of coin is equal to the weight of a coin. The weight of coin is equal to 9 grams. Okay, हो गया, both are same, 9000 grams and 9 gram. Now what is the question? How many coins does the Vivan have? So here both are given. The bag's weight is 9 kg, means 9000 gram, and one coin's weight is equal to 9 gram. Now the formula is number of coins is equal to number of coins, means how many numbers we needs, is equal to weight of a bag, big unit, weight of bag is big, right? And here weight of a coin, how much weight of bag is. Now we have to consider this one, 9000, right? 9000 grams, and weight of a coin is 9 grams only, right? So 9000 divided by 9. So what is 9000 ja 9000? Okay, 1009 is equal to 9000. So answer is 1000 coins. It's very simple, but as I said, both the units should be similar. This is kg, then that should be also kg, or this gram, or this should be gram. Both are should be same only. So we converted 9 kg into gram, 9000 gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Now here the coin of weight is given 9 gram. So now what is the simple division? The more thing is there, means who is bigger, that bigger number should be divided by smaller number. You can directly divide 9000 divided by 9 is equal to this. For only formula is only for explanation. You can calculate orally also. 9000 divided by 9 means 1000, right? So directly you can get the answer. Here figures can be changed, number you can change, here also you can change, and you can get the answer easily. If somebody has given instead of kg, if he gives you directly 9000 gram, so no need to convert this, directly you can divide. So as per your convenient or as per your question, you have to convert this gram to kg or kg to gram, and last you have to divide and you will get the answer. We'll go for another more example. Now see, the question is, the capacity of a container is 48 liter. There is one container or one bartan, whatever you say, its capacity is 48 liter. How much you can maximum you can put the water 48 liter, not more than this, right? So capacity of contains 48 liter, but 7 upon 12th part of a container is filled with water. How much it is filled? It is not completely filled. So water is filled up to 7 upon 12th part, right? If half of water is removed, and from that also half water is removed, then how much more water will be required to fill the container completely? Question looks like lengthy, but solution is very easy, simple, right? First of all, you have to find out the capacity of the container, means whole part. One part means how many liters? 48 liters, right? Capacity of container means whole. If you want to fill the whole container, means one part. One means whole part. Here you can say whole part also. If you want to completely fill fully or whole container, you need how many liters of water? 48 liters. But it is filled how much? 7 upon 12 part is filled. Okay. So how much? How much is there? 7 upon 12 part of 48. 12 3 jar 48. Sorry, 4 jar. Sorry. Right? So 28 liters it is filled. How much filled? The container is filled up to 28 liter, means 7 upon 12 part is equal to 40 28 liter. 28 liter is 28 liter of water is there in container right now, but now what he is doing, half of part he is removing. So half is equal to how much? Half of this, not 48, half of 28 means divided by 2 is equal to 14 liter. So right now at present how much water is present in container? 14 liters only, right? Now what is the question? How much more water will be required to fill it completely? If you want to fill it completely, then how much water you need? You need 48 liter, but we have how much? 14 liter, right? So how will you calculate? So the required water is equal to how much? Total capacity is 48, we have only 14. So we, if we do subtraction, then we'll get the answer, that is 34. 8 minus 4 4, 4 minus 1 48, sorry 3. So liters of water required for completing the whole container. Simple. First of all, whenever question of fraction is given in capacity, then you have to consider first of whole part. Whole means one. Pura ka pura container. That is one part. Whole part. Whole part is equal to what is 48. So then you find out the how much it is filled or how much it is empty. Right? 7 upon 12 part. So only just 48 into 7 upon 12. It is, you get 7 4 is 28 liter. But then what he has said, half of water is removed. So half of water matlab half of water 28. So 14 liter is removed. So what is left? So left 14 liter, because half removed. So half 14 removed. So 14 is left. So 14 left. Then how much more you required? So capacity of the container minus what is left. So 48 minus 14 is equal to 34 liters of water. So such question only just you have to remember the fraction part and whole capacity. Then what other conditions are there? According to those conditions, you can subtract or you can uh, plus or divide whatever is asked. That way you have to find the answer. So it's very easy, not difficult. Question is lengthy, but solution is very easy. Now we'll go for one more example. Now see here two examples I have written. First question is, how many bottles of 20 ml will be used to fill 2 liter of medicines? How much total medicine is there? 2 liter. And we need to fill 20 ml in one bottle. Okay, so number of bottles we have to find out. So as I said in earlier, said both the units should be same. Here liter and here ml, milliliter, right? So first of all you have to convert this liter into ml. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Therefore 2 liter is equal to how much? 2 into 1000 is equal to 2000 ml, right? Now, what is the capacity of bottle? 20 ml. So directly we can write number of bottles is equal to total medicine 2000, capacity of bottle 20 ml, right? Now 0 will be cancelled. 200 2 jar 200. So how many bottles we need? We need 100 bottles to fill 2 liter of medicines. The bottles capacity is 20 ml. So it's like a coin. In coins sum also we did same way, only division. So here also only simple division and you get the answer. Now one more example is given. Fourth example, how many pieces of 20 centimeter length can be cut out of 4 meter of long cloth? There is the piece of 4 meter of long cloth and we need small pieces of 20 centimeter. Okay, so how many pieces will be made from this one, right? So same way, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now 4 meter is equal to 4 into 100 is equal to 400 centimeter, right? So because both the units should be same, so to make the same units we have multiplied by 100 because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now the piece length is given here, right? So now the number of pieces is equal to what is total length is 400 centimeter divided by what is the length of piece? 20. Now 0 220 ja, right? So 20 pieces can be made from 4 meter length of cloth. Okay, 4 meter long cloth you can make 20 pieces. It's simple, only just division, but only as I said we need unit same. So you have to first of all convert in same unit, then you can divide and you will get the answer. Okay, so this way solutions are there. We'll go for one more example. Now see, one more example is, it looks like confusing but it is not uh, very difficult. Okay, it just only for confusion. You can think that it's a hard question, but it's very easy. Only just you have to read the question and understand the question properly. In problem sums, in word problem, you have to just read the question properly, you have to understand it properly, and you have to go like whatever the condition is given. So as per the condition, if you move on the calculation, then you will get the answer very easily, right? The question is, village A is at the east of the village B. East. And who is at the east? Village A. So where is the village B? This is village B. So east means left hand side. So here we are village A. Okay. So we'll understand by the drawing. So first question is there, and how much kilometer it is? At the distance of 7 kilometer and 200 meter. So 7 kilometer and 200 meter I have written here, right? This is first condition, right? Now second condition is, and the village C is at the west of village B. Village B is there, west means right hand side. Okay. Actually uh, here east, sorry, east here and west here. Okay, so A will come here and C will come here. So distance is 7 kilometer and 200 meter, village A east of. Okay, if we are standing in front of a map, we know that here Gujarat, here Seven Sister. Okay, so like this you can say. So right hand side is east and left hand side is west. So what is 7 kilometer and 200 meter village A and B's distance? Now village C is at the west of village B and distance is 13 kilometer and 870 meter. Now what is the question say? Find the distance between village A and C. You have to find the distance between A and C. Now you can directly understand what you have to do is. what you have to do is you are supposed to do the addition only. Question looks like different, that what you can imagine that what should do and what should not do. But if you are going by drawing, then it's very simple. Okay, so distance between C and A means addition of this kilometer, 13 kilometer and 870 meter, plus 7 kilometer and 200 meter, right? Now just simple addition, nothing else. 0, 7, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, 1 carry, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 carry, 2. So this is kilometer and this is meter. So answer is 21 kilometer and 70 meter. 0 is given, so 0 we are not writing here in answer, right? So this is the answer. This way you can simply get the answer only just as I said, that you have to read the question properly and understand the question properly, and you have to start the calculation as per the conditions given in the question. Uh, so it makes the question very easy. If you need drawing, you can draw, so that calculation becomes very easy. So for today's video, this much only. If you like this video, you can like, subscribe and share this link to others, those who are in need of the math solutions. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.